Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this super easy glam everyday makeup look with a twist. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please continue watching. So first, to start this makeup look, I'm going to start with my moisturizer because I haven't done my skincare routine. So I'm gonna take my moisturizer, and this one's from Skincraft.
Playtime's now over, these demons in my shoulder. I've been sitting all day long, it's tough.
So today we're gonna do a little trick, and the trick is that since we have seen all these videos of mixing your highlighters with your foundation, so today we're gonna try that. And I'm not going to scratch my highlighter and mix the powder with my foundation, but either I'm gonna just directly apply the highlighter first on my face and then I'm gonna apply the foundation over it. So let's try and do this. So for that I'm going to take this highlighter. It's very nice and golden highlighter. Yeah, it's like very crystal like, so I'm gonna apply that. So I'm gonna take my big powder brush and I'm going to take my highlighter on it, and I'm going to apply that first on the high points of my face.
Please don't God forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Look at this moment in place, I'm doing it for the reactions. Someone will laugh in your face, someone will be paying the taxes. Yeah, I gotta get back in the pace, I gotta wait for the relaxing.
So since I'm done applying this highlighter on my face, now I'm going to move on to the foundation. And for foundation, as usual, I'm gonna use these two foundations. One is from the Maybelline one and the other one is MAC.
Playtime's now over, these demons in my shoulder. I've been sitting all day long, it's tough when you go take off. Take this in the daylight, I want some, so play right. I'm dressed well with that.
As you can see, it's peeking through the foundation and I'm absolutely loving it. Well, I think my foundation has become really fair because I told you I have two-tone skin and I have to mix two foundations. So I'm gonna take more of MAC and I'm gonna blend it after I blend this foundation of mine. Now it looks a little similar. You can always do that if you feel that your foundation is more fair than your skin tone. So you can always take some amount of a little darker foundation and then apply it over it. So now I feel that my neck and my face looks exactly the same. So now I'm going to move on to my concealer, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm going to apply that under my eye and on the bridge of my nose.
Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste. You couldn't go but a fake, loving the words that he says. See when I'm up in your place, too many up in your place, too many faces, too many places. Yeah. Please don't God forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Playtime's now over, these demons in my shoulder. I've been sitting all day long, it's tough when you go take off. Take this in the daylight, I want some, so play right. I'm dressed well with that halo, these angels and they don't know. Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste.
And now I'm going to set my face with the Stars Cosmetics translucent powder, and I'm going to bake a little bit under my eye, and I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow then. and I'm going to use first I'm going to use this pink shade, which is Fan Fiction, and then I'm going to use this shade Bare Minimum. So I'm going to use these two shades.
Forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Look at this moment in place, I'm doing it for the reactions. One who will laugh in your face and one who'll be paying the taxes. Yeah, I gotta get back in the pace, I gotta wait for.
So I'm done applying my eyeshadow, and now I'm going to do my mascara. So first I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply my mascara.
But the words that he says, see when I'm up in your place, too many up in your place, too many faces, too many places, yeah. Please, oh God, forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with you, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Playtime's now over, these demons on my shoulder. I've been sitting all day long, it's tough when you go take off. Take this in the daylight, I want some, so play.
So now I'm going to take this blush plus highlighter. It's like creamy blush plus highlighter, and this one's from Kryolan. As you can see, this one's from Kryolan, and this is how it is. It's super beautiful. And now I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones and the apples of my cheek. So I'm gonna take some amount on my finger, and I'm just going to dab and blend it. So I'm gonna dab it like this, and I'm gonna blend. As you can see, it gives like a very subtle, nice, you know, highlighty face, but it's also a little pink. I'm gonna do the same on my other side as well. I hardly ever used this. I mean, like, I never actually got to use this, but I'm gonna use it now because it's like winters and rain and your skin becomes dry, and this actually gives like a very dewy and glowy effect. So I'm gonna use it more often now.
In your face, and one will be paying the taxes. Yeah, I gotta get back in the pace, I gotta wait for the relaxing. Yeah, why you be napping? Yeah, pick up my nap.
And now moving on to the lips. So I'm gonna use my regular signature shade, which is Miss Claire's lip cream in the shade 57, which I use all the time. So I'm going to use that.
Forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with you, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Playtime's now over, these demons on my shoulder. I've been sitting all day long, it's tough when you go take off. Take this in the daylight, I want some, so play right. I'm dressed well with that halo, these angels, they don't know. Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste. You couldn't come but a fake, loving the words that he says. See when I'm up in your place, too many up in your place, too many fakes.
So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Please, oh God, forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil.